Welcome to 3 versions of the Tangle Crescent Moon. I begin all of my tangles with gratitude, grateful for the pen, the paper, anything I'm grateful for. I make sure I get in a comfortable position. I take the tongue off the roof of my mouth. I relax my shoulders, unclench my jaw. So I begin with a pencil and I drew a border. I divided this paper into 3 sections. And then I drew these ladybugs with a Micron 01. To fill them in, I used an 08 just to avoid wasting the ink of an 01. And then I aura'd each one. Now auraing them, as you can see, is me just taking that half circle, drawing a line, another half circle above it, and then continuing to do that. Similar to the auras that we have. Now, when you get to the center of this, I just kind of fill it in with taking a little line that fills it in. Now, this other section, I don't always line my borders with ink. It depends what tangle I'm doing, but since I was doing this, I did go ahead and ink the border. And while I'm doing this for me is meditation, because when I begin doing this, I can't think of anything else. My mind goes somewhere else. For me, it's relaxation, it's anxiety relief, it's calming. I turn this crazy right here. See how I added another ladybug after doing some auraing. And the reason is now this is going to show a whole nother level of crescent moons that are below the first set that we did. So it's very much about illusion. So what I do then is I begin auraing these. So I aura these here, and I just keep going. If you like to set intentions or manifest, this is a great time to do that, because if you get into this like I do, it becomes a meditative state. So then I add a couple more for another little level, aura those, all the way to the center. Now that's my favorite way to do, well, not my favorite, one of my favorite ways to do crescent moon. This next one is an unusual take on crescent moon. So you're going to draw a circle or an orb that you fill in. And then I draw 3 little auras around it and then aura those. And now I'm just taking crescent moon off the side of it. So I do it 3 times. And now I go ahead and aura each of those. Now, after this, you can put them wherever you want. These are a nice little fill-in, I think. They just look beautiful. And just keep going. Now, someone asked recently what I do with my tangles. I think my tangles are meant to be given to people. I set the intention that they go to who they're going to go to, just like my art. Just like anything for sale in my shop, I always set the intention that they go to who they're meant to. I think it's a great way to pay it forward. I think kindness is something that we need right now. So here is my 3 versions of Crescent Moon. Check out my other videos and my lives. Have a great day.